Are your ears clogged? Then you want to implement the claw. The claw technique is using claw down your ears. You have a tube called the eustachian tube that goes from your ear down to your throat. It allows drainage so it doesn't back up, so things don't back up in your ear, right? So the reason why you're clogged is because you got mucus, so you want to claw it down and claw it down your neck. Claw technique number 2, you want to claw your elbows. The elbows have nerves that are connected to your ears, which will help stimulate the blood circulation and stimulate the drainage down to your ear. So you want to claw like this. Claw like this, okay? As many times as you want until it hurts and you can't claw anymore, right? Get someone else to claw, right? So claw right here to drain the drainage, and claw right here to help with the stimulation of the nerve of the blood circulation to your ears. Make sure you follow me here on TikTok. Ringing in your ears, then you want to use the eagle claw technique to get rid of those crickets, to pull out those crickets from your ear. So tinnitus, ringing is tinnitus. There's many causes to tinnitus. Will this technique solve all causes of tinnitus? No, it won't. But one of the reasons why you might have tinnitus is your ears get clogged from allergies. So using the eagle claw technique, you're going to drain and make sure the blood circulation to your ears are sufficient and adequate and great so that it doesn't get congested, get backed up, and cause the hearing, the ringing, the crickets, right? So eagle claw technique, you're gonna first go around the ear. You're gonna go and brush around the ear. There are nerves all around your ear that stimulate blood circulation to your ear. And it also stimulates the brain to turn down the crickets, right? So you want to go for a minute. You're going to rub using the eagle claw. You're going to rub all the way down, okay? Even down here, okay? And then you're going to also go to the front. You're going to front right here, right? And then when you get to the back of the ear, you're actually going to go down this tube called the eustachian tube or auditory canal. It allows the sinus, the ear, to drain. So you want to massage all the way down here. You want to do this. This is the whole process will probably take you at least 2 minutes. You want to do this at least twice a day. So you want to really get down in the jaw, in that eustachian tube, and into your neck, okay? And that's going to help drain any type of congestion. Maybe your ears feel muffled, right? That's going to help drain that congestion down your ears. Do this every single day, especially during allergy season, and see if it helps the ringing in your ears. If your ringing is due to sinus congestion, the eagle claw will help. Make sure you click and follow me here on TikTok.